We are going to see how to remove a background image from any kind of image and to add a border, white border or white outline. So at first we have to type BZ remover and click it. This is the website what we are looking for. Just click on it and wait. We have to upload an image, so click on upload image, and you can choose any kind of image from your folder. So open it. It takes some time to be processed. So this is what we are looking for. You can check it by maximizing, zoom in or zoom out. They have no export on it. So we have got our background removed image. You can add some kind of features from here. You can add any kind of background from here. Here have many free design images. You can use them as your background, but I don't need it. I go to color, and you can also use solid color from here. So I don't need it. I can reset and done. And you can erase and restore. You can use it, because if you have any kind of export on your image, you can use it and it will be removed. For example, if I want to remove it, it will be removed. Just drag on it. This is removed. So I don't need it. That's why I reset and done. You can download it. So I don't need it. We are going to add now a background border on our image. So click on this create design and click on create your free design. Now we are redirected to Canva website. Canva is a free website where you can design any kind of image and videos. There have many free designed image template. We can use them and freely download. Remember it, when you will be redirected from this remove.bg, you need to be login. So there here we go. There have two layer. One is our fixture and another is background. This is our fixture and this is background. So give a color to our background so that we can easily understand the background border. Now click on our image and make it center and go to edit photo and scroll down and go to shadow. Click on glow and make this blur amount to 0. Make the intensity 100%. Now we are seeing that it is already done. You can add any kind of color from here. I personally like white color, so I give it. And you can increase the size, the border size. You can increase and decrease it. So it is completed. You can drag and drop anywhere where you like. So it is completed. Now we can download it from download button. Just click on it and keep everything okay. Just click on download. It is already downloaded. and we have gotten our file. Now if you want to use it on your any kind of thumbnail or design, you can use it. So if you want to remove these background, yellow background, you can also upload it to busy remover. For example, just download and see. This is already done.